Shopfitting projects need the highest quality inputs to help bring luxury brands to life. Think of LARKI's clients like Tiffany and Bulgari, where the highest quality of work is essential. This includes meticulous attention to detail and seamless collaboration between project managers, designers, and construction teams to create wonderful retail spaces. Every cubic centimetre matters, whether it's ensuring cabinetry and moulded elements align flawlessly like curved corners or accommodating fixed structural features like beams, columns, and essential services such as electrical and mechanical. That's where LARKI's cutting-edge 3D scanning technology and digital twin platform truly stands out. Our 3D scans provide the most accurate 3D survey you can get, up to millimetre accuracy, capturing every visible detail of the existing space, so that all stakeholders, including architects, overseas designers, engineers, electrical, mechanical, fire, plumbing, and facility managers can collaborate online to make quicker and more accurate decisions, and to reduce costly delays, site call-out fees, and variations. LARKI's digital twin platform has a 3D viewer in your web browser, so you can share various views like crop, section, zoomed into the point cloud, BIM, or 360 photos to take precise measurements. This helps all stakeholders to fully understand the spatial dimensions of the site without having to visit in person. Great for offshore team members. Add points of interest to identify assets within the 3D viewer online like mechanical units, furniture, electrical and plumbing fixtures. Then add photos and documents such as manuals to that point of interest to help with work like installation, commissioning, and maintenance, for example. You can share this data instantly with your team and other stakeholders via the email link for quick decision-making and faster approval processes. You can also have various scan files in the 3D viewer online showing the various stages of the project, from the initial unrenovated shell to other stages like rough-in, to measure pipes in the walls and ceilings before sheeting. 3D scanning the shell before fit-outs captures every detail, ensuring exact spatial awareness of services like electrical, fire, and plumbing, empowering your team to maximize how the space is designed with maximum utilization of the space. For high-profile clients, precision isn't optional, it's essential. LARKI's 3D scan data empowers designers, engineers, and builders to create fit-outs that fit perfectly. Our world-class clients simply won't accept anything less than laser precision. Call us on 1-800-3D-SCAN for your next commercial fit-out project.